Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video, we will learn how to create a new warehouse in Axanta. So let's start. To create a new warehouse, go to the menu, click on the inventory module. Under that, go to configuration, select warehouse management and click on warehouses. Here, you will find a list of warehouses that has been already created in the system. So to create a new warehouse, click on this create button and you will find various options that needs to be configured as per your requirements. Here you can also give a name to your warehouse. Let's say warehouse 7, and here you can give a 5-digit numerical code to your warehouse. For example 10007. Here you can also find various options such as incoming shipments, outgoing shipping and many more, which is generally a standard setup done by Axanta team. Here you can also find the auto set min max option. This is more of an advanced concept which we shall look into it later. Now coming to the disable negative posting. This is one of the important setups to create a warehouse. By selecting this option, you will not be able to post any product that goes into the negative stock. And if you enable it, you are able to post the stock and your stock will become negative. Now coming to the inventory lock option. This is also an important option which helps you in the inventory count of this particular warehouse. Let's say if you want to count an inventory on this particular day. So if anyone wants to process the inventory or post any transaction below this day, they won't be able to perform and the inventory will be locked for this particular warehouse. Now after configuring all these options, you can click on the save button and your warehouse will be created. Here you can see this warehouse has been created. Here you can also see the active and archive option. Due to some reason, this warehouse is no longer in use. So you can select this warehouse as archive and the warehouse won't be shown in the system. So these are the steps to create a new warehouse in Axanta.